one's too small.
Emily, are you trying to step on that water balloon?
Look, that's a good one.
That's a good one.
Here, try this one.
Try and splash Daddy. Can you splash Daddy?
Here, splash me. Oh!
Oh, I guess you gotta jump on it.
Ready? I got you. That one might not pop when you step on it. That's a little one.
Uh-oh.
Step on it with one foot and then step on it with the other one. Good, now step on it with the other one. Here. Put one foot on it. Now put this one on it. Stomp! Stomp!
Jump! Oh! Maybe throw it real high in the air like Daddy did.
Ran out of big ones. Throw it up. Good! Here, let's try this. You hold on to the knot. Can you hold on to the knot? And pull. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, 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 pull. Where you going?
Try it one more time, Emily.
Should we do that again?
No.